And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch looking north on 13th Street North. Partly cloudy skies is what we have right now. We are at our daytime high of -2 degrees. We did get down to -10 at 5 a.m. this morning, and winds are out of the east, not too windy today. Our humidity level, though, is still elevated, and that's why there is still a chance of some flurry activity in all our regional areas overnight tonight, and possibly even tomorrow as well in some areas, so just be aware of that. Temperatures all over the province, though, reflecting those cooler temperatures that were brought down as that trough of low pressure moved from the west to the east overnight last night, giving us a little dusting of snow here in Lethbridge. What we are watching is another low pressure system on the BC coast. It's going to give a lot of cloud and some mixed precipitation and some snowfall in some areas. But on this side of the Continental Divide, got a nice area of high pressure that's going to continue to build in over the next 24-48 hours. So we've got a good stretch of really nice conditions that are going to be happening right now. Not real active weather here in the far south. We do have some pockets of precipitation still making their way across. You can see that reflected on radar just to the north of us. But other than that, it's pretty quiet right now here. To the east of us in Saskatchewan, they've got Arctic outflow happening in their province. So areas like Regina, with the wind chill value, it's -29 degrees there right now. So even though we're in minus values here, it's worse to the east of us. What we're looking at right now is, as I said, that pocket of precipitation. It's just breaking off from this low pressure center that's trying to make inroads into BC. So you got some rain showers, you've got some snow showers, and that's going to be the pattern over the next day or so. It's not really well organized, and it's kind of splintering as it comes across the mountains. On this side of the Continental Divide, though, as I said, we're seeing that area of high pressure already starting to make inroads, but just the leftover instability, that elevated humidity level. Just be prepared for areas like Crow's Nest Pass, Medicine Hat. Here in Lethbridge, we could see the odd little leftover flurry tonight and again tomorrow, but certainly no accumulations. Now down east, there's two major low pressure centers. One is sort of stagnating on the Great Lakes and rotating, and the other one is trying to exit Atlantic Canada. So all these areas in between kind of caught in the squeeze play. There's varying amounts of snowfall. There's winter storm warnings, strong blowing winds right around the Grey Bruce, Georgian Bay area in Ontario. They've got snow squall warnings out. Blowing snow in Winnipeg right now, -15. As I said, Regina, -17, but with the wind chill, it's -29. -5 degrees in Edmonton. We've got rain on the coast right now in Vancouver. Up north in Whitehorse and Yellowknife, both of those areas seeing snowfall, and both of those areas had blowing snow earlier today as well. Your overnight forecast, East Kootenay, partly cloudy tonight with that chance of flurry activity, -7 for a low. Tomorrow, mostly sunny with a chance of late day flurry activity, 0 for a daytime high. Crow's Nest Pass, clear tonight but windy, down to -8. And tomorrow's sun and cloud mix could see just a little tag end of a flurry or two. And Medicine Hat, partly cloudy with a chance of flurries tonight, down to -14. Tomorrow, you should see mainly sunny skies and -1 for a daytime high. And here in Lethbridge, we're looking at overnight low of -13. Could see a leftover flurry, but tomorrow sun and cloud mix. The winds will be back with us, and that'll bump us up to 4 degrees for a daytime high tomorrow. There's your 5-day forecast, and as you can see, temperatures really do start to stabilize very nicely as that area of high pressure kicks into southern Alberta, allows a lot more sunshine to radiate down to the surface and warm up all those temperatures. So we've got a really good stretch ahead. And even as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, right now it looks like we'll be in positive numbers and some pretty sunny conditions. Of course, it's southern Alberta, things can change, but right now that's how it looks. Clearing out the clutter, yes, that is a good thing for everyone to do. And I have some stats. According to experts, over 87% of people that participate in studies where their homes undergo a cleansing, an organizational cleansing, most of the people, 87% of them, experience better sleep, eat less, are more active, and can see a reduction in their blood pressure. So that big spring clean job that you've got coming up, that spring cleaning, it does more than just make your house look good. It'll actually make you feel better as well. And that's our Live Better tip from Draffen's Pharmacy for this week. Have a good evening, everyone.